Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into eHealth, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type the eHealth website URL into the address bar. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. You will be directed to the eHealth homepage. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. A login page will appear. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure that both entries are correct. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once you have entered your username and password, click the Submit button. Wait a moment for the system to process your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your eHealth dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check your username and password for accuracy. If necessary, repeat the login steps. Congratulations, you are now logged into eHealth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.